Hello children, welcome to Mother's Digital Curriculum. Come, let us practice some daily practice problem for class 12, chapter 3, current electricity related numericals. The first question, an electric current of 2 microampere exists in a discharge tube. How much charge flow across a cross section of tube in 5 minutes? So the datas are I equal to 2 microampere. Convert micro into 10 power minus 6 ampere. Time is given in minutes. So convert into proper SI unit, that is seconds. We know that 1 minute have 60 seconds. Therefore, 5 into 60, which is equal to 300 seconds. We are going to calculate Q. So it's a direct problem. We know that I equal to Q by T. From this, Q can be written as I into T. So substituting the value of I and T, 2 into 10 power minus 6 into 300, which will be 600 into 10 power minus 6 coulomb. This also can be written in the standard notation as 6.0 into 10 power 2 minus 6. So Q equal to 6 into 10 power minus 4 coulomb. The second problem, an electron moves in a circular orbit of radius 10 centimeter with a constant speed of 4 into 10 power 6 centimeter per second. Determine the electric current at a point on the orbit. So the given data are radius is 10 centimeter, which can be written as 10 into 10 power minus 2 meter. Velocity is 4 into 10 power 6 centimeter per second. Convert into proper SI unit. 4 into 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 2 meter per second, which can be written as 4 into 10 power 4 meter per second. We need to calculate current. So we know the familiar relationship I equal to Q by T. So here in this problem, Q was 1.6 into 10 power minus 19, which is a standard value. You people have to remember it. And we are going to calculate what is our T here. So to calculate T, let us consider the diagram. An electron is revolving around the orbit. So speed of the electron will be written as distance by time. So we can rearrange this formula to get the time formula. So time can be written as distance by speed. So distance in one rotation, it completes 2 pi r, distance 2 pi r by v. So I can write I equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 divided by 2 into 3.14 into r value is 10 into 10 power minus 2 divided by speed is 4 into 10 power 4. Rearranging this, you'll get I equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 into 4 into 10 power 4 divided by 2 into 3.14 into R value was 10 into 10 power minus 2. Segregating numbers, 1.4 into 4 into 10 power minus 19 plus 4 divided by 2 into 3.14. This can be written as 10 power minus 1. Rearranging, 1.6 into 4 divided by 2 into 3.14, 10 power minus 15 plus 1. So solving this, you'll get 1.6 into 4 will be 6.4 divided by 2 into 3.14, 6.28 into 10 power minus 14, which can be written as 6.4 divided by 6.28. Solving this, you'll get 1.01 into 10 power minus 14 ampere. Therefore, I equal to 1.01 into 10 power minus 14 ampere. Subscribe the channel for more daily practice problem. Thank you. Have a nice day.